In this video, I'm going to show you how to do clipping masks using Adobe Illustrator. So a clipping mask is when you have one image showing inside of the other image. So like for instance, I want to have this background picture here only showing up in the star. So I'm going to show you how to do that. I already have this star shape drawn and I want it to, the photo that's behind it to only appear inside there. So the first thing to do is to make sure that the shape that you want is on top of your background. So you got to go to Object, Arrange, Bring to Front to make sure that's on top. And then you want to select both of those things. So get your selection tool and drag it on both. And then go to Object, Clipping Mask, Make. And now you'll see that it's inside my photo, or the photo is inside the shape. So you can still click it and move it around, but now they're, grouped together and it's just showing up in there. So I'm also going to show you how to do it in Words too. There's an extra step or two you need to do when you're doing it inside of Word. So I'm going to undo what I did there. We'll move the star out of the way and I'll show you how to make the picture show up in these words. So I already typed this word here and I'm going to enlarge it to fill more of the space. So maybe I want it to look like that. Now I can't make a clipping mask of just this text like that. There's a few things I need to do first. So I'm going to go to Type, Create Outlines, and then I need to go to Object, Ungroup, and then I need to go to Object, Compound Path, Make. All right, now I'll be able to do the same thing. So I'm going to get my selection tool. I'm going to select both of those things and go to Object, Clipping Mask, Make.